Yes, of course it...
So if I don't have work really early that day, I will normally get up somewhere between 8 AM and 10 AM. But I am a big snoozer, so I do snooze a couple of times before I actually get the courage and get up. So the first thing I do in the morning is turn my lights on just to wake my eyes up, otherwise it's impossible for me to get up. I switch my alarms off. And I also roll my blinds up to get some more light in my room. And then I'll just make my bed because I just feel better when my bed's made, and grab some fuzzy socks to put on because it's normally quite chilly in the mornings here. So then I grab my phone, put on a thicker jumper. Today I'm wearing this Christmas jumper, isn't it so cute? And I'm normally really hungry in the morning, so I'll just head down and make myself some breakfast. So today I made a smoothie bowl with a frozen banana and some berries and oat milk, and then I just mixed that all up, and guys, this was delicious. It literally tasted like blueberry ice cream. So yeah, this was technically nice cream, and I love eating that. It's so good. I can eat it all year round. And then I just added some chia seeds on and some muesli. And I took my vitamins and had it with a glass of water. Always when I'm eating my breakfast, I love eating it in front of YouTube or a series. So today I was just watching YouTube and checking my emails, seeing what was going on today. And then I also checked my social media and just checked my phone in general to see if anyone had messaged me. And today I was feeling super gross and I needed to wash my hair, so I hopped in the shower. And I always listen to music in the shower, it just makes it 10 times better. I just started listening to Christmas music today, guys. It's exciting. And if you're interested in my hair care routine, you can watch my pamper night routine where I explain everything. So then I just get in my cozy dressing gown and I'll head to the bathroom again to do my skincare routine. And whilst I'm doing that, I love listening to podcasts. Today I was listening to The Lighthouse, which is a really sad case about a boy who went missing on a backpacking trip. So you should listen to that if you're interested in true crime. I will also brush my teeth, obviously, and my skincare routine is also in my winter pamper night routine, which you guys maybe have seen. Then I just head back to my room to pick out an outfit for the day and put some deodorant on. So then it is makeup time. I like to keep my makeup quite simple, but I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So first, obviously, I put moisturiser on my face. And all of the items will be listed down below. And then I just prime my face to get a smooth base, and then I add concealer to the parts where I need it. And then I just blend that out. I don't like wearing foundation, especially not now in the winter time when my face is so dry already. Then I will apply some powder just under my eyes mainly, and then bronze my face. This is probably my most important product because I'm so pale in the winter time, so I just bronze my face up properly and then apply some blush to make myself not look like a corpse. And then I use my Glossier highlight, which gives a really dewy glow and I love it. And then I normally add some like brownie red tones to my eye and also under my lash line. Then I just fill my brows in with some brow gel. Really quick, really simple. Then I always curl my lashes, otherwise you can't see them, and apply mascara. I also apply some shimmer to the middle of my eye, and I applied also some white eyeliner to my waterline, which I didn't show you, and I added some lip gloss as well. So once I've done with that, I will either head to work, or if I'm having a day at home, I will do some YouTube work. So yeah, it depends on what I'm doing that day. So that was everything for my morning routine. I really hope you enjoyed it, and request videos down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!